Welcome to saitechinfo, my dear students. In today's session, I'll be explaining about characteristics of plane mirror. Let us consider a plane mirror. You know very well, on one side it has got the glossy surface, on the other side it has that is non-reflecting surface. Now, let us try to understand the characteristics of this plane mirror. The images obtained in the plane mirror will be virtual, that is, it appears to be coming from inside the mirror. It's not real, so virtual. It is erect, vertical. Suppose when I look at the mirror, my image, my face, my height, my entire body is erect. And then but when I raise my right hand, you may feel that your image is lifting your left hand. So that is a lateral inversion. Okay. So there is a phase difference of 180 degree or pi. So that is called lateral inversion. And then the size of the object and the image are equal. So they are equal. So object size is equal to image size, or image size is equal to object size. And next, when you keep two mirrors like this, okay, so let me keep two mirrors, and in between that I have kept an object. So when I keep an object slightly inclined at an angle, you can call it theta, then it will create n number of images. You could have seen in any that is a saloon where you could have seen your faces n number of times inside the mirror. So this n number of images are formed when the object is kept at an inclined angle theta between two mirrors. And according to the law of reflection, you know very well, that is angle of I, that is the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. And incident ray, reflected ray, normal line is the perpendicular line drawn to the surface of the glossy mirror. So all these three will be in a same plane, that is coplanar. Okay, so we have 7 important points in characteristics of plane mirror. Okay, so never forget this. Now let me talk about the n number of images, how the images are formed when between two mirrors when they are kept at an inclined angle. If it is kept at an inclined angle theta, so take the ratio 360 divided by theta. So when it gives even number, then, and if it is symmetrical, you will get 360 minus theta 360 divided by theta minus 1 number of images. Are you able to follow? And if you keep any unsymmetrical image, that will result the same number of images, that is 360 by theta minus 1. Assuming that I kept at 60 degree, then you know very well that is 6 is the ratio, is it not? So 6 minus 1, so I will get 5 images. When I keep how many, at what angle? 60 degree. So likewise, based on the angle, the number of images changes, and not only that, based on the symmetrical figure, so that you are able to get, for example, if it is even, you are able to get 360 minus divided by theta minus 1 number of images in both symmetrical and unsymmetrical images, objects. But when you get odd figure, that is when you say about 360 divided by 45, okay, so or 45 or 42, like that. So if you get any odd figure and then odd ratio, then it becomes when the object is symmetrical, then you are able to get 360 minus theta minus 1, 360 divided by theta degree minus 1. But when the object is unsymmetrical, and when you get the ratio between the angle, inclined angle, that is 360 divided by theta, and when it is odd, then you will get that is n number of images with the value 360 divided by theta. Okay, so you have to remember this table, right?